Guten Morgen, children. So, children, today we are going to do the work in our notebook. Alright. So, take out your maths notebook. Okay? And you have to mention the date. And we are going to start the number names, which is from 101 to 200. Alright. And this is your CW. In today's CW, we will do number names from 101 to 120. Alright. And 121 to 140 will be your HW. Alright, children. I hope you all can see the board. Right. Is it visible to all? Great. So, children, in number names, as we already did the number names from 1 to 100 in our notebook, है ना? So, this is 101. This is how we going to write 101. 101 is 101. So, how we are going to write it? ONE1, है ना? And HUNDRED 100 and ONE1. So it will become ONE11 HUNDRED dread 1 101. Now the next is 102. How we will write it? So again ONE1 1 HUND hunt RED red 100 TWO2. Okay. Now the next is 103. How we are going to write it? So ONE1 then HUNDRED 100. Children, this is very important to learn the spelling of 100. So learn with me. HUND hunt RED red hunt red. Okay, so where were we? We were on 103. So it will become ONE1 HUND hunt RED red 100 THREE3. So children, you have to speak and write. Speak after me and then write. Okay, no one will sit on mute mode. As ma'am is speaking and writing and explaining to you, you have to do it same ways. Very good. Now let's move to 104. ONE1 again HUND hunt RED red 100 FOUR4. Now the next is 105. Children, we will write all the numbers in the same way. We will write 100 in all the numbers. Okay? You cannot skip because there was no space in my board, so I did not write, but you have to write it in your notebooks very neatly. So 105 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and FIVE5. Now the next is 106. ONE1 again HUND hunt RED red 100 and 6 SIX6. Now 107. 107 ONE1 again HUNDRED 100 and SEVEN7. Alright, now the next, what comes after 107? You all know this, है ना? What will come? So after 107 will come 108. ONE1 HUND hunt RED red 100 8 EIGHT 8 EIGHT 8. ठीक है? No one will do the mistakes. कोई mistake नहीं करनी है किसी को. Now the next one. What comes after 108? 109. So ONE1 HUNDRED 100 NINE9. So it will become 109. ठीक है? And what comes after 9? 10. So we will write 1 as it is and we will write 10 after 9. ठीक है? So ONE1 HUNDRED 100 TEN10. Children, speak and write. Now what comes after 10? 11. So what will come after 110? 111. So we will write again 100 and then what we are going to write? 11. What is the spelling of 11? E-L-E-V-E-N. Okay, 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, when? 11. Now 112. What is the spelling of 12? T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Now what comes after 112? 113. You have to write 100, T-H-I-R, thir, T-E-E-N, teen, 13. Now what comes after 113? 114. So 100 we will write as it is, F-O-U-R, 4, and we will add a teen to it. So it will become 14. F-O-U-R, 4, T-E-E-N, teen, 14. Now 115. So O-N-E-1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, and 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N. Children, do not write F-I-V-E, no. F-I-V-E is the spelling of 5, but the spelling of 15 will become F-I-F-T-E-E-N. Okay? Now 116. O-N-E-1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, 16, S-I-X, 6, T-E-E-N, 16. Now we have 117. 100, S-E-V-E-N, 7, the same spelling of 7, then teen, 17. Now the 18. 100, E-I-G-H-T, 8, then E-E-N, 18. Now 119. O-N-E-1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, and 19. N-I-N-E, 9, T-E-E-N, 19. Now the last one is 120. O-N-E-1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, this is 2020. So what we are going to write? T-W-E, speak after me, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Alright. So children, this was your CW, and let's move to your HW now. So children, in HW you have to write from 121 to 140. Alright. So you have to mention the names, you have to mention the numbers, and then you have to write the number names. Okay, so let's begin. We have 121. How we are going to write it? O-N-E-1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, and then 20. We learned the spelling of 20 now. So T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, and O-N-E-1, 21. Same ways you have to write 22, 122, 123, 124, right? So ma'am skipped 122. You have to write 122, then 123. Okay? So you will write same ways, 129. Then we have 130. What comes after 20? 30. So 130, 100, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. 130. Now we will write, what comes after 30? 31. So 131, we will write 132, 133, 134, 135, then till 39, and what comes after 139? 140, right? So how we are going to write it? O-N-E-1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, and then 40, F-O-R-T-Y. Children, in 40 there is no U. What is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R. What is the spelling of 14? F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. But spelling of 40, there is no U. So it will become F-O-R-T-Y. Alright. So do it in your notebook in very neat and clean handwriting, and share the pictures with your class teachers. Okay. Bye.